So, hello everyone. It's me again, Tina. So today I'm gonna unbox. Maybe this one's gonna make me happy today. I'm sad because I don't know. Hopefully I can recover that money because I'm so stupid. But anyway, I'll just forget that money and because it's so big, but I know I can still recover it. Hopefully I'm still. And then I'm gonna open this crybaby. Crying again. It's a crybaby, but it's the crying again version. I really want the older one, but I haven't bought it. And now I bought this one, the crying again. So let's open. I don't wish I can. I just bought it. So hopefully I can get a secret. I don't want to check the box, so it's a surprise. See pink. Oh, it's the bee! It's the bee! Oh, this is way cuter. It's a bee. So it's the bee. So it's the bee. I'll bring you a flower. So it's the one that I'll bring you a flower. It was the pink. I want the pink, but this one this is way cuter. But I got this one. So that's it. Bye. Bye.